Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hell is Us crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on Steam or PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart PC or Steam. So for that, go to Steam and click on Steam option over here and then click on exit. After this, click on Windows icon, then click on power and then click on restart option. So this will restart your device or your system, and after your system restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then under general, here you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this problem is resolved by following the solution. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So after this, if there is any update, simply update your drivers and then check if the game is launching or not. Nvidia and AMD users can go through the link that I have provided in the description and update their graphics card easily, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works. Next solution is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolutions or other things, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you are suggested to check the graphic settings and if possible make it lower to play the game smoothly without any further problem. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and see if this fixes the issue. Next is to run game as administrator. So here you have to run the game as admin, disable full screen optimizations, run in compatibility mode, as well as you should run Hell is Us -win64 -shipping as admin and do the same as directed. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select the game application and then click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here you need to click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. Now check if it fixes. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK. And after that, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK. So after doing this, launch the game and see if this fixes the issue. Apart from this, you should also go to the Hell is Us folder, then click on binaries win64 and here you need to right click on this, select properties, and under compatibility mode, select run this program as an administrator, disable full screen optimizations and run this program in compatibility mode for. Simply hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if this problem is resolved by the solution. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it is listed over here. So here it is listed. If not, then click on allow another app and then click on browse, and from here you need to go to the game folder where it has been installed, and after that add it to the list and then select the game. Make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates. If there any update is available, simply update your Windows and after that launch the game and see if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and here you need to disable this. Enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It is enabled, so you simply need to click on it and then disable it. So after disabling the overlay, now try to launch the game and check if this fixes the issue. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on the gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay. And for Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option over here, search for task manager, and under processes tab you need to find the apps that is of no use or running in the background and consuming high resources. So after you select the app or the game, simply right click on it, click on end task, and once done, now launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next is to install the latest patch or update your game. So for that, go to Steam and select your game under library section and see if there is any update available. Here you can find the update option. After updating the game, now try to launch the game and see if it fixes the issue. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, copy it and open it in a browser. After it opens, go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files, and after that install it and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to search option over here, search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, then click on advanced over here and click on change, and after this select your drive where the game has been installed and then click on custom, and the initial size you have to type 24576 and in the maximum size you have to type 49152, and then click on set and OK. After this, try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program installed in your PC, then it can corrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So somewhere the antivirus program blocks the games and you cannot play. So you are suggested to disable your antivirus program before you try to play the game, and after disabling, launch the game and check if this has helped you. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings. After that, check for the game if it is listed over here. If not, don't worry, click on add desktop app, and then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select your game and add it to the list. After adding it, now go below and search for your game, and under GPU preference you need to select high performance. After selecting high performance, now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, restart your system. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall the game and check if this problem is solved by following the methods discussed in this video. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.